In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print checks QuickBooks 2020 step by step. We'll walk through creating a check in QuickBooks Online and sending it to your printer using standard check stock so you can pay vendors accurately and keep your books tidy. Let's start by creating the check. From your QuickBooks dashboard, open the New Transaction menu by selecting the plus icon labeled New. From the options that appear, choose Check. This opens the check form where everything you enter flows directly into your accounting records. At the top, choose the bank account the funds will come from. This is important because it determines which register the payment hits and which account appears on your printed check. Next, add the payee. Pick an existing vendor from the list or enter a new name if this is the first time you're paying them. Enter the date the check should be recorded and printed, which is often today's date unless you're backdating or predating for your records. Now complete the financial details. If you're recording an expense by category, use the category details area to select the correct expense account, then type the amount. If you're paying for specific products or services you track, use item details instead. Either path works. Just be consistent with how you track costs in your books. Be sure the total amount is correct. A quick glance at the payee, date, account, and amount can prevent voids or reprints later. When everything looks right, choose Save and Print. This saves the transaction to your books and moves you into the print flow. On the print screen, select Print Check. Before you print, load your check stock into the printer. Most businesses use voucher-style checks with 2 stubs. Make sure you're using stock that's compatible with QuickBooks formatting. Place the checks in the tray in the correct orientation for your printer, face up or face down, so the check portion prints in the right position. If your printer has multiple trays, confirm you're pulling from the tray with the check paper. With the paper ready, click Print. QuickBooks sends the check to your printer, filling in the payee, date, numeric amount, and written amount automatically from the details you entered. When it finishes, verify that the information aligns cleanly on the check portion and that the stubs show the proper account or item detail you recorded. That's it. Create the check, save it, and print it. Following these steps ensures your payment is recorded correctly in your bank register and that your printed check is ready to sign and mail. If you ever need to repeat the process, just start with New, choose Check, fill in the details.